Anguilla. It's the end of a beautiful weekend of Moonsplash. Got so much to share with you, but I want to thank the organizers. I want to thank Bankie Banx. I want to thank all of the Moonsplash crew, all the artists who came. Peace and blessings. This is Olaide. I'm here in beautiful Anguilla. I got the sun, I got the sky, I got the sea, and I'm getting ready for Moonsplash. Hey, let me give you a quick view of what it's been like to get here over the past couple of days as we prepare for this weekend. Peace and blessings.
Every day you wanna turn around, maybe you can hear the sound. You start to believe and put that smile on your face. Take a look around. Though it's hard and you can't see, there's so much to be grateful for. Let your toes touch the waves as you walk across the sand in your mind.
Saturday, we're getting ready to do some radio, prepare for sound check. I'm actually going to connect with great artists in Mortimer. We're going to do some radio today, so check it out. I'm here with the man himself, the young king, Mortimer.
Listen. Thanks for having me. It's nice here on the way.
Look, you bring in the love, the peace, the joy, the blessings to the people. We just want to thank you for that.
Listen. Yeah,
control unless we own. The greatest lessons are taught at home. We don't need a bigger microphone. We just need to put down our phone. Their lips are moving, saying nothing, so distracted by their visions. That we're buying what they're selling, and you can't see our situation. Smoke is building through the bird, but we just don't seem to learn. We're in a house on fire, house on fire. I can't breathe, house on fire. The lines on my face, the blazing eyes, they paint a picture of the kings and all the things that I've tried. And every time that I fail, embrace it, I rise. That's the story of me. This is the story of my life. 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 You know, first Bankie, I've seen God's grace in abundance. Every test through my faith, never know how much you grew until you have failed. Make your plans in your heart, but let God guide your steps. My son, hear my instructions, so your days may be well. The rains will fall, the winds will blow, yeah. The seeds of doubt will come, but don't let them rule. The lines on my face, the glazing eyes, they paint a picture of the heat and mark the tears that I cried. And every time that I fell, the story of my life, that's the story of my life, the story of my life. Thank you so much, Mr. Bankie Banx. Thank you so much.